Hey guys, let's start over. Hey guys, Peaks Workouts here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple dumbbell clean exercise. All you need is a pair of dumbbells, and that's it. Remember to keep your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight, and this exercise involves like two exercises in one. So you have your dumbbell curls and your squat all combined into one. So remember, when you go down in a squat, try to move as slowly as possible to engage all the muscles in your body. So let's get into it. My feet are shoulder width apart, my back is straight, I'm looking forward, and this is how you do it. And you go down on your squat and back up and then down. Dumbbell curl, down on the squat, back up and down. This is a great exercise for engaging all the muscles in your body, your upper and your lower muscles. And there you have it, how to do a simple dumbbell clean exercise. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Tik Workouts. And for me, peace.